Welcome to The Little Book of Big Dividends by Charles B. Carlson, your guide to a world of financial stability and growth. This book unlocks the secrets of building wealth through a strategy that has stood the test of time: dividend investing. Forget complicated financial jargon and risky market speculation. Here, we focus on a simple but powerful approach. It's about investing in companies that pay you back, regularly and reliably, for your investment. Dividend investing is like planting a tree that bears fruit year after year. You invest in a company, become a part owner, and then share in its profits. These profits are paid out as dividends, providing you with a steady stream of income. This income can help you achieve your financial goals, from funding your retirement to paying for your children's education. This book is not just about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth with a focus on safety and security. It's about partnering with companies that have a proven track record of success and a commitment to sharing their profits with their investors. The book empowers you to take control of your financial future. It provides a clear roadmap to navigate the complex world of investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this book offers valuable insights and practical advice to help you achieve your financial aspirations. Carlson unveils the power of dividends as a cornerstone of a solid investment strategy. He emphasizes the importance of seeking companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. These companies are not only profitable, but also committed to rewarding their shareholders. The book delves into the concept of dividend growth. This strategy goes beyond simply receiving dividends. It focuses on investing in companies that consistently increase their dividend payouts over time. This approach leads to a powerful compounding effect, generating increasing income year after year. Carlson provides clear guidelines for identifying these dividend-paying champions. He emphasizes the significance of strong financial fundamentals. Look for companies with solid earnings, healthy cash flow, and a manageable debt load. These factors indicate a company's ability to sustain and grow its dividend payouts. The book also highlights the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various industries and sectors. This approach mitigates risk and ensures a more stable income stream. The Little Book of Big Dividends doesn't just talk theory. It brings the power of dividend investing to life through real-world examples. Carlson showcases companies that have consistently rewarded their investors with growing dividends over decades. One such example is the Coca-Cola Company. This beverage giant has a remarkable track record of increasing its dividend payouts for over 50 consecutive years. This consistent growth in dividends reflects the company's enduring strength and its commitment to shareholder value. Another compelling example is Johnson & Johnson. This healthcare conglomerate has a similar history of dividend growth, demonstrating its resilience and profitability across various economic cycles. These real-world success stories illustrate the potential of dividend investing to generate long-term wealth. Carlson analyzes these companies in detail, highlighting their financial strengths and the factors driving their dividend growth. He shows how investing in such companies can provide a steady stream of income, outpacing inflation and securing your financial future. We delve into the valuable insights Carlson has gained from his extensive experience in the investment world. He underscores that dividend investing isn't just about chasing quick profits, it's about establishing a robust foundation for enduring financial security. He highlights the critical roles of patience and discipline, explaining that dividend investing is akin to a marathon, not a sprint. This approach demands a long-term perspective and the resilience to endure market fluctuations. Carlson advises focusing on the consistent growth of dividends rather than getting swayed by the daily volatility of the stock market. Furthermore, he urges investors to do their homework thoroughly. It's essential to research companies before investing, understand their business model, their financial health, and their commitment to dividends. After all, knowledge is power, particularly in the realm of investing. The book lays out a clear framework for analyzing companies and making well-informed investment decisions, equipping readers with the necessary tools to identify dividend-paying champions and construct a portfolio that fosters lasting wealth. The Little Book of Big Dividends is portrayed as a potent guide to achieving financial freedom through the proven strategy of dividend investing. It offers a clear roadmap for pinpointing companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and the potential for future growth. The book stresses the importance of patience, discipline, and thorough research in making prudent investment decisions. It empowers readers to take the reins of their financial future by creating a portfolio that generates a steady income stream. With Carlson's insights and practical advice, this book becomes an invaluable resource for both seasoned investors and those just beginning their investment journey. It's an essential read for anyone aiming to build long-term wealth through a safe and reliable investment strategy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.